Imagine a food so powerful it can help ward off heart disease, control cholesterol, and even boost your immune system. This isn't the latest superfood from the Amazon rainforest or a high-tech supplement developed in a lab. No, it's something you likely have in your kitchen right now. Garlic. Garlic, a humble root vegetable, has been a staple in kitchens around the world for thousands of years. But did you know that this culinary cornerstone is also a dynamo of health benefits? That's right. Garlic is not just for adding flavor to your dishes, it's also a powerful tool for maintaining and improving health. Now consider the apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, or so the old saying goes. Apples are full of fiber and vitamin C, but when compared to garlic, they're left in the dust. Garlic contains more than 100 chemical compounds, including allicin, which has antioxidant properties, and sulfur compounds, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. And what about spinach? That leafy green powerhouse. Spinach is a great source of iron and calcium, but garlic outshines it with its potent antimicrobial and antifungal properties. These qualities can help fight off infections and boost your immune system. Even the mighty kale, the darling of the health food world, bows to garlic's prowess. While kale is packed with vitamins A, K, and C, it can't match the cardiovascular benefits of garlic. Numerous studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. But the benefits of garlic don't stop there. Garlic has been found to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial food for those with diabetes. It's also been linked to improving bone health, especially in women, and has even been suggested to have cancer-fighting properties. So how can you harness the power of garlic for your health? The answer is simple. Incorporate it into your meals. Whether you're sautéing it with vegetables, adding it to pasta sauces, or using it to flavor meat, the possibilities are endless. And remember, when it comes to garlic, a little goes a long way, both in terms of flavor and health benefits. Garlic may not have the star power of other health foods, but its benefits are clear. This humble root vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients and health-boosting properties. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, reach for the garlic. Your body will thank you. In conclusion, garlic, with its unique combination of flavor and health benefits, stands tall among the giants of the health food world. It's a simple, accessible, and delicious way to boost your health. So don't underestimate the power of this small but mighty vegetable. Embrace the power of garlic and let it work its magic on your health.